Excellent. Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive. Should we start recording as well? No viewers, good. So I can eat some. I will be biting on those. No viewers, good. Keep. So today I'm fixing this UI for my sales page. So my current UI kind of sucked. Let's see. So my current UI planner and page products pricing. So it kind of sucks, my current UI. I don't like it. So my idea, I created this design on Figma, I guess. I think on Figma. And Figma has this like AI coding stuff where you can just like spit out design like this. Although I changed a couple of things like image. I'll be eating those. So if you are offended by that, that's your problem. I kind of like them. And that they make me relax, and my kids are going crazy out there. So hopefully you don't mind it. Otherwise you will unlike my cast. So this is my new page, and my old page is this, which is uglier, obviously, you can see. And chat rate, what's this? What's chat rate about? Because there's no viewers. Yeah, I'm testing this thing today. So I'm using OBS, which is actually really neat. Like I have my panel here. I can move it around and keep it here. I can move myself around, make myself smaller, which YouTube didn't allow me. But now it gives me chat rate, which means something which I don't understand. Okay, so back to the coding thing. So I have this. I can't stop eating. I have this page which I don't like, and I want to, like, at the end of with the beginning of the new year, in less than a week time, I will be selling this SaaS mine, and hopefully it will pay my bills and, feed my family. Chat rate 0. Yeah. So what I have done already was to basically I was trying to move it just like that, copy and paste, and hoping that it will actually pick up the styles, Tailwind styles. And Tailwind can be annoying sometimes, and especially like the setup, if you don't really like. I never learned Tailwind. I don't like it. So Tailwind can be annoying if you don't understand it well, like me. So what I did, the original page was really nice because it was responsive. Oh no, it was okay because I kind of messed it up. Let's go back to the previous version. So I will undo my damage to my project. Discard file. So basically I couldn't move it with with all that tailwind crap. So I just asked agent to rewrite it, and actually, like all day today, because I'm testing the cheap agents. I ran out of credit, so I was testing GPT, those two, and they sucked. I tried Grok. I think it was okay, and this one is the best. GPT-5 Mini. It kind of understood my big code, and it rewrote this page for me from Tailwind, which Is it Tailwind? No. Okay, this is from Tailwind. Let's show the other file. So we had it in Tailwind, and I don't like Tailwind. It's ugly. Like, it's just like you're putting lots of classes, and yeah, I never got through it. So no funs. So I rewrote it to, Jesus, my kids are crazy today. I rewrote it, my older daughter. I asked it to rewrite it to styled components, and it gave me this styles, which is okay. So I've got like, it's an object with styles, and it just kind of rewrote it. Jesus. I wonder if it's probably my parenting. It's like that's why people hate Christmas. You know, after 2 or 3 days, you're really sick of it. Oh, hello, current viewer. I'm just talking about my SaaS and how I'm rewriting from Tailwind, which I hate, to styled components. Or maybe it's not. It's like CSS modules actually, or maybe closer to. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Basically, like, I just couldn't make it work. My kids. Jesus. So this is the page I want to have, and this is how it looks now. So like my initial thing was I was trying to move. Jesus fucking. Okay. So I was trying to use this as a pricing page, basically, as a sales page. In here. So I asked AI to actually rewrite it into this CSS module like kind of code. So it used to be like Tailwind into this. So it's just using those styles. It's fine. It's obviously like live link. It's not the prettiest code. Maybe it is actually. I kind of prefer it that way, to be honest. I don't like Tailwind. I think it's just crazy. I don't know why people like it so much. Okay, this is just like some typing stuff. Yeah, so I have this actually now, and that's how it actually looks now. When we go to localhost 3000, and I have my crazy routing, which I rewrote from React router, because like when I publish it to render, it wouldn't do a good job. Price. So now this is how it looks. Okay, actually, I think the logo takes more space. It's oh, my font, my favorite font. I was actually so proud of this nice font, so I will have to actually bring it in. And this is also nicer. Okay, so it didn't carry the fonts. I have a video here. Start a free trial. So it didn't bring the buttons as well. I mean, it's here, but it doesn't do the styling. I think there's some padding to be added here. This button looks better. This padding is good. Okay, fine. But now, like one good thing I had here, this is actually driven from the backend. So I have it on the database. All those plans, my nice plans, and they're actually connected to Stripe. And this is just fake. Like right now, there's nothing going on. Start free trial just gives me email is required. So what I will do now is connect this into this object from the backend. which actually shouldn't be that hard if I think of it. I actually even asked my AI, but didn't manage to. Done. Okay, it says it's done. So are you done? This would actually be in plans. Okay, yeah, so it should be actually. So we have this plans array. Again, no one. Plans array, which we filter by price. Suggestion. How was this? What's studio? Oh, okay. Excellent. Close. Just gonna close it here. Okay, yes. Streaming is hard, like, especially when you have kids. They're crazy. Really loud and annoying. Best for. Okay, but like I have it mapped here. So let's see if. Oh, okay. So now this page I will have to apply. Okay, so it brought the styles. Let's see if it's actually. Selected plans. Oh, what about the logic? What about the logic? Whoa, 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 what? I think that the actions for button clicks not applied. I'll have to go on. Would I be a bad father if I took away my daughter's violin because she's becoming really annoying with it? I think I would be. Actually, that wouldn't be nice. But you can hear she does it actually most of the day. Yeah, but okay, why do you need to npm skip? Oh, okay. Why all those console logs? Chat rate. Building a SaaS in public. Yeah, let's see now. So I have my pricing page here. Well, what if I press email is required? No, it's not there. I don't like it did the job. Email is required. Why? Why is it required? Can anyone tell me? What's here? Is backend on? Yeah, I think so. It's Subscription creates checkout session. Oh, okay. This is doing something funny here. So, is this how? Oh, because I'm not using this page actually. Do I? Yeah, I think so. Let's just replace the pricing page with pricing page 2. Pricing page 2. Oh no, I did replace it. Okay. So we actually have that one now. Okay, let's just try pricing page for now. No? Did you use import? Okay, yeah, okay. So we have different import style. Let's try pricing page. If this one will trigger. If this one will trigger my... No, email is required. Okay, why request failed? That's fine. Okay, at least we know that it's both. Let's just like, let's AI it. Because this is some funny error. Views. Hello, views. So we're gonna apply this pricing page to pricing page 2. Okay, I'm getting some funny error. Okay, let's just do pricing page 2 here. So we are using the second one. I'm getting some funny error from Axios, I think. Can you fix it? Since AI, I don't have to fix my own errors. I just introduce them. And then my Chip AI, this today I'm using GPT-5 mini, is gonna look into it and hopefully it's gonna find it. Because I didn't even read it actually, lazy me. So, failed to load. Is my backend on? Localhost 8000. Yeah, backend is on. So if the backend is on, then the next one, error creating checkout session. What's this hook about? Install hook. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. And now module page 2 does not provide an export named pricing page 2. Looks to me like it does. Oh, okay. Oh, no error. Let's see. Enter your email for checkout. Why is it here? Oh, maybe it's because was it like this before? I don't understand this part. Oh, okay, because it doesn't see it. Needs to. Oh, okay, but why do you need an email here? Why do you expect email? What's email for here? Please enter your email for checkout. Where is it asking it for? Okay, let's see. Why do you need email? Please enter. It's like, ensure we have an email. Backend requires it. It coming from registration. Oh, okay, because we came. Yeah, that's fine. Because we. Okay, but now this is actually something. So we'll have to have 2 pages actually, not 1. 1 page will be when you already registered, and one is sales page. So sales page will have to redirect you to registration. And then it will have to remember that you clicked on one of those tiles. This is nicer actually. So it will have to remember that you clicked on one of those. After you register, it will redirect you to a, because here we actually start a free trial. But here, because am I already registered? Yeah, I think so. I am actually. So, because I'm already registered. Oh, hi there. What are you doing, bro? What am I doing? I'm doing the, okay, I have this SaaS application that I'm actually going to release in a couple of days to sell it, and chat rate good. So yeah, I'm planning to sell this thing from January next year. And I have this page. Sorry, I'm eating the sunflower seeds. Sorry for that. But they can help me relax. It's not like I have to, but so, oh, hello, viewer 2. So now we have this sorry, register page where you select which plan you go for. So you can go for free plan or starter, team, business. And then when you click on one of those, it will redirect you. And here it says re-email is required again, which is a bug actually, which I didn't really see till recently. So there's there any scope for newcomers in SaaS? I don't understand what you mean actually. There any scope? Are you asking if there is any scope for newcomers in SaaS? I think so. Yeah, I don't know. So you think everything will be taken by AI or what? AI will do everything from now on. I don't think like AI is actually that good for if you want to run business. If you want to upload your Excel file. Brother, my logic works, but sometimes I just can't convert it into code. What should I do? In lead code. I don't understand this comment. Sounds funny actually. Is this like a programmer joke? Because I've been programming for like 15 years and never have seen this one. So basically, what was I? Yeah, so this is an app. Let me just show you. Product planner. So this is an app where you can just like run your deliveries or like supply to your company. Although like I would have to, it would be better if I remember like one account that has a password. So then you can upload your like Excel with your deliveries and products and stuff, and then you can just like run it. This is actually written for my friend who is partner in this project with me. So it was actually written for him, so he can replace his Excel. And because there is lots of scope for SaaS business, I don't get that. Sorry, you'd have to expand it, Rajesh. So, like if you're running like a delivery, if you're like a guy who delivers things from place A, from supplier to a customer. So like you are in the middle, and you have some products that you deliver, you have some deliveries that you do. Let's just add one. Then this is when it was ordered, and this is when it's supposed to be delivered. Yep. Yeah, this is when we expect it. And yeah, it was ordered, pallet info, some information, and which products are in the delivery, and products are defined in the database. So this is like something where you run your your deliveries, and you can then update it and stuff with like this Kanban board. I wonder if you can hear my kids. Yeah, and this application is almost ready, I think. Although like there are some tweaks I need to do. One of them is the sales page, which I'm actually now trying to finish. So this is the sales page, which is supposed to get people to buy my application. You know, so there is like some nice line encouraging you to buy. Some title and then some subtitle, whatever, and buttons to actually make you think, do stuff. Or you can watch live demo, which is not recorded yet, but I will do it soon. Where you will sell this for whom? I'm gonna look for like small businesses that do deliveries, and it's not like I'm not looking for like restaurants mostly. Like it would be like a middle guy, like supplier kind of guy. So like the idea, like the guy who I actually wrote it for initially, Rafał, he is a guy who gets like, who buys like packaging for like food packaging. So he buys it from one guy somewhere in Poland, or usually, and then he sends it to, he finds like restaurants and places, or like some other places, even like shops and stuff, and then he like supplies it to them. So like they might order pallet of something, like boxes or something, or some packages. Like he owns this he has this like sushi thing website where you can order those kind of boxes and stuff. And I think Fastpack, that's another business. This is actually something that I built a couple of years ago, and those kind of products. So he's the middle guy. He's guy who is actually taking stuff from place A, from some company that is producing it, to like a shop. So he's in the middle, and he's there to deliver that. And he was trying like lots of applications, lots of like software to run it, and he tried like Trello or like Asana, one of those Kanban boards where you have like project management when you manage your project. Or he has also tried obviously Excel, which he actually ended up using. And there's this like Microsoft thing, like Microsoft 360, which is like super complicated. Or there's probably something, I think there's something even more complicated from a couple of other companies. So like he actually didn't really find, like he ended up using Excel. So he asked me actually, can you like write this kind of Excel thing where you could just like run and like, you would have delivery and then like products, and those products would like connect into deliveries. So you deliveries from one place to the other place, like that kind of thing, So I wrote this application where you can actually bring your Excel in. So yeah, like he has his products. This is actually imported from Excel, and I'm actually and this app is allowing you to import them basically. Where's my Excel? I think it's somewhere here. No, this is my YouTube career. So we have this Planero, yes. So we have those, like let's say he has some Excel file with products. So he has bunch of products defined here, and then he wants to work with it. Like he can import, export those things, and then update some statuses, and then assign them to a customer. So this application is actually allowing you to do that. And obviously you can search for things. You can like add columns into this thing. You can have a reports where you can export things and compare one month to the other. And now I'm actually like my next step. He will hire delivery guys. I don't know. He does actually, but like that's, I don't know. Do you wanna deliver for him? I don't know. I mean, he might. But yeah, he's usually just like hiring some companies that do deliveries for him. So there is a delivery guy with a man with a van or something, and he delivers from one place to the second one. But like this software allows him to track this, so like he knows which deliveries were and what's happening with those products. So this is why it's good for him. So yeah, like here we can, oh, so my daughter, sorry. Tak?
Jeśli jesteś głodny, to jest mięso, co jedna mama przygotowała i kaszka ta, co ja przygotowałam.
Dobrze, to zaraz przyjdę. Yeah. This is when you have kids, they just walk into your room and yeah. So then like you can assign, let's say there's supplier and like last delivery, there is a product. Okay, so there is a we want to deliver something, or like you are a company that is delivering, like which is managing deliveries. So I want to add like, okay, I can add another, let's say this is the name. This is when I ordered something, or like maybe it's today. So today I ordered something, and like according to like delivery guys, should be actually next week, same time. Yeah, wherever. And then like, yeah, okay, the status of it is ordered, and some additional information. And on this delivery, there is a product called, let's say this one. This is in Danish because his company is in Denmark. So I have this delivery here, and this delivery, I can see that this is actually what's in this delivery. I can obviously edit it. I can add products. I can view this one, and this is also assigned here. And here we can see that there's some styling issue that I will have to fix. He will hire delivery guys. Oh yeah, sorry, this is the same question. And what else? I don't know. And we can move these things around. So let's say this delivery is actually progressed, and then it remembers your delivery status, although like I will have to display them better. So this is actually something that is missing. I will have to update that within my application. But now like the next step is I want to sell it, obviously, or like allow people to sign up for the application, for this app. Yeah. So I'm actually building today this thing, which is a beautiful, in my opinion, it's very beautiful sales page, and it has a title and something that encourages you to buy, and then there will be video of me talking about the application, what it does, and how it's actually tremendously good. And then there are some testimonials, and I hope I will get some customers soon that will just tell good things. This is great, thank you. Yeah, so I'll have to actually get some good customers to work with it. Hello, hello, another user. And then there is like features list, and then this is actually the great part. This is where you actually like choose which product you're from. I'm from Poland, but I lived I lived in London for like 10 years. And this is where you choose your plan, and hopefully you will like the clients will choose the expensive ones, or like at least this one. And when they choose, they are getting redirected to what's the name of it? Let's go here again. Let's log out. They are redirected to Stripe, so they can do some payments there. Let's do another user. Magic Corporation Firm. Let's have it. And my name will be, let's just remember something. Another Maciej. Let's just have another Maciej. And password 1. And then like I can actually, okay, so I can select one of the options. So there's free option for now. Hopefully I will remove it later because I will have enough of paying customers. And then like I start free trial, which is great. And this is where Stripe comes in, and you can pay. And yeah, this is where my money comes in, hopefully. This is actually just test account, like sandbox. So like we don't have to worry about some number like here. Let's not have that displaying. I know no one will actually 40. So I need to I'm doing payment now. So sorry for not showing it, but it's a bad habit to show people, even fake accounts. And there's some data that I should probably protect. So I will just protect it for now, and then I will start to trade. Okay, I will start. So this is fake data. This is actually fake address, obviously. But now, I paid, and this is where. Oh, why will people pay if they themselves can vibe code? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because they don't want to vibe code, because this is really hard to actually vibe code things. Okay, yes, you can just tell your AI agent to, okay, can you make me this app? But then you have to deploy it, and then you have to know what to do with it. And if you created the app, maybe you would, instead of delivering things, you would be, because this is for people who don't know how to vibe code, and they don't want to even touch. Yeah, I don't know. I can, this is the question people used to ask forever, why would people drive if or would, I don't know. This is people still need to manage deliveries, and this is application that does it for them. So maybe you can vibe code yourself application for deliveries, but some delivery guy who is really all day taking care of delivering things, he doesn't really care about that, password 1. So this is my, you can go on and break invalid credentials, but this was actually working. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, so another match is broken. So did I sign up? So I'll have to check my backend actually, because it seems to be doing something funny. Admin. Wow, this is 15 viewers. Or is it 15 views? Oh no, I've got 4 people and 15 views so far, so not too bad. Oh, okay, but this is backend. Okay, so we need to go to the backend. Backend admin, yes. And oh, I'm not logged in. Let's just not. Do I remember the password? No. Okay, so I'm not gonna show how to manage my database. Yeah. Okay, so there are things that okay, so I don't know if I answered your question. Why would people pay? I don't really understand that, to be honest. Some people will pay for applications because they still want to use them, and some people won't. And you just assume that everyone is a developer, and not everyone wants to touch it. Ashwin, I don't know. Yeah, why everyone's supposed to vibe code everything? This is vibe coding is just another way of creating applications. So there used to be people called programmers who do that coding. And now there's AI, which is supposed to make it simpler, although it doesn't always make it simpler, and you still have to work with databases. You still have to set up, layout and stuff there's just so many things to make work. And this is not only just okay, that you can vibe code thing. You can vibe code it locally, but then you have to deploy it. Then you have to learn how to, even with simple render, it's a simple thing, but you have to learn how to deploy it. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but at least you are one of the top fans, Great. Congratulations. Even for asking questions. Any other questions? So, I think I will be done for today. I do have some problems with my database, which I will have to check on my own. I don't want to be broadcasting that. I think there is some problem with my Stripe payments or some webhook stuff, which I'll have to fix myself. And I really enjoyed this chat with you guys. If you have some questions, quickly go on. Otherwise, I'll just bail. And I really enjoy actually live coding here. It's so fun, you know. I can eat like what I've been doing here. I've been eating sunflower seeds while my AI agent would do stuff for me. Yeah, and this is my app. I'm getting famous, you know. I got 16 views on this. So yeah, thank you guys. Great. This is cool. What can I do with it? Add as moderator. Wow, you can be moderator. Is there anything else? Engage with audience. Oh, start a QA. Start a poll. Should I web code or just... I'm losing viewers. Okay, yeah. See you later, guys. Thanks for that. Thanks for your questions, and see you next.